Good morning, all. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, Introduction to MS PowerPoint 2010. MS PowerPoint is a popular software used to create beautiful presentation on a computer. A presentation is an interesting way of describing something to the audience. It is usually supported by audio visual aids such as pictures, map, chart, music, and speech. We can make a presentation with the help of a computer. And the MS PowerPoint is a part of MS Office package. It has many ready-made features that let you create a presentation quickly and easily. A PowerPoint presentation consists of many pages called slide. Slides contains information in the form of text, images, sound and video. When these slides are shown one after another in a series, it is called a slideshow of the presentation. Here you can see these are called slides. We can add the pictures, text, audio, video, images to this slide, and also we can create beautiful presentation on the computer. To start MS PowerPoint 2010, first we have to click on Start button, then go to All Programs. There we can see Microsoft Office package. Among the softwares, we have to select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Okay. Now let's check what are the parts of MS PowerPoint screen. Okay, whenever we are opening MS PowerPoint, we can see a lot of parts there. And the first one is called title bar. Here you can see the title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the file and the name of the program. Currently we can see the name of the file is presentation 1 and the name of the program is Microsoft PowerPoint. We can change the file name and program name whenever we are saving the MS PowerPoint program. Okay, and also it contains the quick access toolbar on the left. The quick access toolbar contains the icons for frequently used commands such as save, undo and redo. And in the right side of the title bar, we can see the minimize button, maximize button and also close button. So this is our first part of the window called title bar. Next part is called ribbon. The ribbon toolbar is below the title bar. It contains many tabs. Each tab contains many commands arranged in different groups. We have to click on the tab to open it. Next, we are going to discuss about the File tab. The File tab is on the left side of the ribbon. When you click on the File tab, we can see the Backstage view. This is the place where you find the option for creating, saving and printing files. Here we can see the new option is there, open option is here, save, save as, print, send to, close, exit. Lot of options are here. So this is called File tab, which is located in the left top corner of the window. Just below the ribbon, we can see Slides tab. All the slides are displayed in a small view in the Slides tab. We can click on the slide number in the Slides tab to view the slide. Here we can see 2 slides are here. Whenever we are clicking on the slide, we can see the slide number also. And also we have here Outline tab and Slides pane. The Outline tab show only the text written in a slide. The text can be directly edited from here also. Okay, so I have written here hi. That hi we can see in the Outline tab. Next to the Outline tab, we have Slides pane. The Slides pane is the main working area. It displays the slide which is currently selected. Okay, now here you can see the first one is the currently selected slide. And also a slide is a single page in a presentation. Each slide contains the information you want to present. The information may be in the form of text, images, charts, audio and video. And here you can see a small boxes. Okay, rectangular dotted box. A placeholder is a box with dotted border present on the slide. So here you can see 2 placeholders are here. These dotted rectangular boxes are called placeholder. The text and pictures can be placed inside the placeholder. Suppose we want to type something on the placeholder, we just want to click on the placeholder. Then the cursor will appear there and we can start type something on the screen. Okay. And the last one is called status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays the slide number and the total number of slides. The status bar has a zoom slider. Just drag the slider to zoom in or zoom out, which means the close-up view and the reduced view is available. And finally, there are 4 views buttons are available in the status bar, which are normal view, slide sorter view, reading view and slide show view. So dear children, these are different parts of the PowerPoint screen.